So what we need to do exactly like this, every time we were creating a new teapot and then we were placing it differently. So what we need to do is to copy all this, because this is creating a new sign for us. Just cut this, we put it instead of the teapot. And then we need to just move it and do the position thingy that we did. But the position will be this position. And we can do this. We can actually ignore the new list. Don't need it here, and just move the NNL, the new object that is being created. Then, so we can just go through and see what happens. I will move this out of the loop. So here what happens is that everything gets deleted in the scene. Then these variables get defined. These are not super important. My sign will be what is selected. So I have to select this. I have to shift enter, selection. Then for 100 times these instructions will be run. Inside it, for 2 times, every time for 100 times, these instructions will be run. I will just double check if it's correct. So for 2 times we will copy these objects. So these objects will be copied every time in 100 times. And then the copied object will be moved this much. Sounds correct to me. Might be something wrong, but we'll find out. We'll select everything and shift enter. Error. Of course, always there is errors. Nothing to worry. Unknown property count on the time. We have count only one place here, so that this is undefined. Did I select the sign when I run the code? I don't remember. There's my sign. I deleted everything. Shouldn't have done that. Does Ctrl Z work? Yes, luckily. I will not run this. And select all, and then do this. Okay, the error is there. What's the new error? Unknown property position in cylinder 2. NNL position 2. Oh, right. This I'm doing wrong in here. So for 2 times, so we are going through this one. And this one is 2 objects. It's this selection. So here we are copying the box, one of them, number 1. It's this one. And then we put it in NNL. So it's 1 object. Then here I'm saying like position 1 of this object, move it. This is a wrong thing. So it's just move this object. That was an extra part that was unnecessary. Yes, let's run it. Nice. So we got the same thing, but of course the position of the box is wrong. I pressed Ctrl Z. Sometimes it works with coding, but if you go out of RAM or it's too much instructions, Ctrl Z doesn't work. You have to do some special thing for it to work. So I think if we just do the their own position and plus this offset should be good. So what we can do is that here we do position 1, that means the x plus this. Oops. The same thing. Let's see if it works. It doesn't. Position in cylinder 1. Same error that it was last time. Maybe it's an array inside this one. Because I can see this side. It's usually that's an array. List of objects. Yeah, that was it. That's looking nice. So when the object gets cloned, what Max returns as new object, it returns array of objects. So it's like there is one object, but it's a list that includes one object. With this, you can just get that one object inside the list. And then the position 1, that means the x-axis, and then we add the offset to the position that it already has. Cool, we are copying our file as instances. Yeah, I think we're good for this lesson. We continue with some more exciting stuff in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.